Hi and good morning. This is Ganesh and today we are going to talk about a movie review called Suicide Squad. This is an English movie, and this movie, which is a famous movie for DC Comics, and today we are going to see about Suicide Squad. And in this movie, there are five major villains. They are going to protect the city under the control of one woman. So these five villains were selected from the jail and they were sent for a mission to protect the city. That is the story of this entire movie. And this story and this movie is dedicated to all the DC fan lovers. And this movie has many plus points like Harley Quinn. This is a famous character in Batman, Joker's fiance, and she is a very favorite character, and she is very joyful and also cut loose, kind of lunatic, and she wanders around the city and makes some or more kind of chaotic things. And she is playing a very active role in this movie, and also four more villains like Deadshot and Croc and two more other villains. They flame, and these villains were ganging up, and they make a very special combination of team. And this combination of team is going to protect the city. This is the entire story of this movie. And now, when we come to the plot or the sequence or screenplay of this movie, while protecting the city, one of the recruit, that the lady Amanda, she converted into a very contrast villain. So the villain, that is Suicide Squad, going to fight with the another one particular lady. She is having a very magical and mystical power. So this is the entire story. And here, why the name Suicide Squad given to this topic is that in specific, in this movie is that in specific, these people are sent with the mission, and they were sent with some kind of bomb in their body. If they fail to do the mission, then they will be killed by the people who have sent, that is Amanda. And that is why this team is called a Suicide Squad. And the movie is very interestingly moving. And Margot Robbie, she played the favorite character of Harley Quinn, and I love this character Harley Quinn. It's my favorite character, and she has done this character very interesting. And also there is another movie especially for Harley Quinn, and you should watch that movie also. In this movie, the emotions and that play with the villains do have some kind of emotions were portrayed in this movie very well. So that was an awesome movie I have ever seen. And this movie is recommended for you to watch. And apart from all these things, there are also other plus points like the graphics and the way they have moved the plot. And it's like a kind of movie that make you to sit in the seat for a very long time. So that's the kind of movie it is. So you can enjoy this movie from first to the end. And in the end of the movie, the watch is very normal, and you might have noticed the same climax for all the movies. Even then, the movie is wonderfully scripted, and we never ever get kind of feeling bored or frustrated. So that kind of movie is this. And this movie I will rate 3.5 out of 5 for this movie. And this is a this is a must watch movie in your playlist. And this is one of the movie which is in Amazon Prime Video. You can also subscribe there and watch this movie. The subscription fee for Amazon is just $9.99 only for year. So you can watch n number of movies. And I will meet you in another movie review with an interesting movie and interesting review. Thank you, and this is Ganesh. Bye.